Guys, welcome back to another episode. ISF build, fixing the ISF. My radio came in. If you've seen everything that's wrong with my ISF / everything I don't like about it, know that my radio's been broken for the first year and a half of me owning it. I just purchased this from off of eBay. The only thing that kind of worries me about it is that it have like a little indentation on the radio. But I'm about to install it, see what's going on. I have no power. Like, if the amp was bad, I would figure I would still see something about, you know, it going up and down. And none of these buttons seem to do anything when I am pressing them. So that's what leads me to say that the radio is bad. I already checked all my fuses and everything, and I've started to take it apart. Literally just opened the box, looked at it, undid the shift knob. All you gotta do is just turn it left, right, pull up on it, undo my trim pieces here. Undo my trim pieces here, and now I'm taking apart inside this part as well. I don't have a mount to do that, so this is kind of going to be kind of unorthodox. Alright, it's really simple. Use a flat tip screwdriver to pry up in here. You gotta have a certain level of finesse to do it. I'm a mechanic by trade, so if you got trim tools, like plastic trim tools, that'd probably be better. But if you're very careful with the small metal tool, you won't mess up the dash that I've just got replaced by Lexus under the recall. And now I got some 10 mils to take out, and that will be next. There's 2 down there and then 2 up here, and then once I take those out, I'll be able to swap everything over. Well, that was a bust. This is the correct part number that I need. I guess I should have took it apart first when I was looking it up. And this is what I got. 861253C80, and I got it 8612053340. The back connectors are not right to what I actually have, so the hunt still continues. I guess I will find it later. Awesome. Alright guys, we're back, and we have the right one right here. So I just gotta take apart all this stuff again, put it in, and hopefully it's just the radio, and I don't gotta do the amp as well. I probably do gotta do the amp, knowing this situation right here. But yeah, I'm gonna take it apart, put it in real quick, and we'll go from there. And we back. I got music. I'm so happy now. So when I go on a road trip now, I don't have to ride in silence or just depend on my phone. Granted, I'm still going to be using Bluetooth, but I won't be draining as much battery, hopefully. In theory, at least. Hardest part about this, honestly, is just putting these bottom 2 down. Oh, you can't even see. These bottom 2 tins right here. That one right there, and that one right there. Unless you got like a magnetic socket or something like that. But we all good now. As soon as I plugged it, gave it back the power and everything, you hear the CD changer start actuating or whatever. So that was a good sign. But I'm gonna go ahead and button this up and wrap this up. Added some washer fluid to my car too. That is one of the my biggest pet peeves of this car. I don't think I said that in my video on things that I don't like about the ISF, but bruh, you could have no gas, oil light on, time for oil change and everything, but your washer fluid has to be the first and foremost thing that's on there. But yeah, in this video, I know I've been kind of slacking on my videos. I'm really busy at like school and work, and I'm just like dead tired on off days, but I'm saving up and ready to order some parts. Alright, thank you for watching the video. Enjoy your day. Have a blessed one. Welcome back to another video. Yes, I still do have the IS-F. I've been on like a little hiatus there. I was just doing work, school, and other stuff, so I've just been a little drained. I installed my radio a while back, actually. I just haven't put the video out. It's been like really dog tired, and like even right now I'm debating on if I should put this before or after. I think I might do it after, but like looking back at the video while I'm editing it and everything, I was like, man, either I sound really dry all the time, or I'm just like dog tired in the moment. But I finished welding school. Right now I'm like currently saving up and like actively looking for like a garage space, open up my own shop and everything like that. Also, was gonna do nitrous, but I changed my mind on that, so I'm saving up for the RR street kit, or if somehow I get like a partial sponsorship or something like that for the RR kit, that'd be dope. For version 2 of the car, and like in the process of saving up for that, well, saving up for nitrous and saving up for the RR kit or whatever, I'm starting to see like other pieces that like I want, that are like ridiculously cheaper than if I was to buy it brand new. And it's like, do I just stay focused on the prize, or do I get these little blessings that are coming my way, right? Because your blessings will overtake you. So I have the diffuser, gonna install that soon, and I just ordered something else that should be on its way soon. So I'll have more content coming here soon. I plan on doing my exhaust. I don't know, I'll see when I can order that. When I can order that next. The pieces for the exhaust, so we can make oval quad exits in the back. So yeah, yes, I still have the IS-F. I am currently at 131,000 miles. Still loving it. And there's still some other things that I gotta fix, like my front tires got that weird edge wear thing that all ISs suffer from, so I gotta get the bushings from RR Racing, and I'll probably see about getting coils too while I'm at it. So yeah, thank you for watching the video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and have a blessed day.